Hey guys, welcome back to Hanging with the Kiddos Creative Creations. I'm Latoya, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create custom labels for the 1.77 ounce chocolate candy tubes. I'm going to show you how to create a template. That way, when you need to create new labels, you always have a template to work on. We're going to print and we're going to be assembling. So make sure you watch the entire video. If you find the video helpful, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. Stay tuned. All right, guys, to get started, we want to head on over to canva.com and log into our free Canva account. If you don't already have an account, you can create a free account, but you want to be logged in so your work can be saved. We either can select the certificate option, which the page size is 11 by 8.5, or we can scroll up here to create a design, scroll down to custom size, make sure it's in inches, and put in 11 by 8.5 and select create a new design. Right, so once our blank page pulls up, we can head on over to elements, scroll down to shapes. Now we can start creating our template. That's it, guys. We have created our template. You can definitely use these same measurements to create a template in any other program, such as Cricut Design Space, Silhouette, or even Photoshop. At this point in the video, I'm using the pre-made version of this template, which is the exact same template I just showed you how to create yourself. The only difference is I have already set up everything for you. That way you can just go in and start creating your design. As you can see, you're going to be able to fit 2 labels on a full-size sheet of paper. This top area here, this is for gluing, so you're not going to be able to put anything there. The next area, this is best for adding your nutrition facts label. I have included a birthday facts, nutrition facts labels for you. And the last area, this is going to be your main area. This is where you want to put your main design at. If you scroll down to the second page, I have included some free logos for you. To use the logo, select the image. You want to right click, copy, scroll back up to your page, right click, and paste. Here's your image here, and you can just resize it. Now, if you're on your mobile device and you're not able to copy and paste, you can scroll down, select the image, and you can drag and drop it. If you're interested in the pre-made version of this template, you can find a link for it in the description box down below. Next, I'm about to quickly create a design. I'm going to print and I'm going to assemble. Stay tuned. All right, guys, I hope you all found the video helpful. If you did, give this video a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. And hit that notification bell so that you can be notified when I post more videos. In the description box down below, you can find the links to all the materials that I use to assemble. And you can also find a link to the instant download for this template. Thanks so much for watching and see you next time. Bye.